Take your cooking to the next level with this built-in electric single oven from Hisense, which has clever features to help you achieve excellent results. With a medium-sized 63-litre capacity, there's plenty of flexibility if you like to host dinner parties. It's also a multifunctional oven with great functions including a defrost and grill setting. And it can either be built into your kitchen at eye level or under a worktop, so there's no need to measure as it will fit in a standard oven housing unit. Hisense's fantastic even-bake oven is specially designed for brilliant cooking results. The cavity's rounded shape takes its inspiration from traditional wood-fire stoves. Because of its curved walls, the hot air circulates around the oven evenly, giving your food the ideal cooking environment. So, you'll have perfectly cooked food that is deliciously soft in the middle and crispy on the outside. The Pyrolytic setting is an amazing self-cleaning function that does the hard work for you. Once selected, it burns away grease and food splatters by raising the temperature to around 500 degrees. The door locks for your safety, and once the program is complete, any ash that's left behind can be easily wiped away. If you're looking for an electric single oven with clever features that will cook every meal to perfection, this built-in model from Hisense is an excellent choice.